Hola, hola, hola. Hallå där. I will now show you the realistic view of how big a pattern recognition trading bot is. And I'm not done yet. I've just done maybe 70% of it. And this has been my past 3 weeks hobby, because it's fun as hell and a nice project, especially if you like C and basic. So it's more basic coding, so it's easy to get into, but it still takes a lot of time to understand everything. So I have a specific pattern I follow. I look for let's see if I can open here. I look for let's see if I can find something here. I look for price levels in the market. Let's say this is a price level here at 13612. I see that two times the price has rejected that zone and headed back. So here my expert should draw a line, and then when the price breaks this line, goes back and rejects an inner high or inner low, I will enter a buy. That goes to the next even decimal, so 1.37. That is a strategy I've been doing and works pretty damn well, especially if you follow it like it's like you're a robot, and that's what I'm trying to fix, because it's hard to do it live, because there's always these, you can get distracted or whatever, you're not home, a lot of stuff can happen. So I'm trying to automate my strategy. That's what I've been doing. So let's go through some of my code. First, at least I have a lot of globals, a lot of trackers. This whole program is just a bunch of if statements and else, and you need to keep track of a lot of stuff. So you need to be very oriented and have a good structure, but it's take practice. So I've bought some programs without a lot of structure, and it's kind of chaos, but it works to learn. Now I have, let's see here, I have include files, I have bool functions, I have points functions, drawing line functions, price level functions for everything. And each include has from 60 to 150 lines, and it's not done yet. I need some additional functions for detecting patterns that gets me to go out of that stops me from entering trades or removes my lines and whatever. But in the main file I have all these globals which keeps track of stuff. I have include files. I then have an on init, so get the stuff I need when I start the expert advisor. So I get the highest price and lowest price and time and stuff. And then I have, of course, the main function, the on tick function. So every tick in the market, this function will trigger. However, I only want to look at candle closes. So I have a major if statement here, we can say. So every time the time of the previous candle isn't the same, I will trigger the on tick function. So it's here where the magic happens. Here I draw the lines, I create lines, I keep track of everything. I have the price levels, the entry, my point system for when to draw lines. Everything needs to be organized and not having too many if statements. How do you say it? I don't remember, but yeah, too many indents in the code. That's why you need include files to not make it look like chaotic and have like 7 indents from the start. For me, I only have 3 now. Before, when I did not have, I had like 8 or 9. And you see I'm not done yet, but I'm getting there. So I have my orders, I have patterns for every type, like I have in my real strategy. I have the same here for so I have for buys and for sells, and then I have my candle trackers. I know how much time has passed since specific events have happened. And then of course there is functions that I can't have in include files for some reason. So the entry function I can't have there, and these ones just made more sense to have in the main file. Yeah, this is the real view if you want to get into making a trading bot with pattern recognition. And yeah, I'm not a fan. I never used indicators. I never used that stuff. And I built a profitable strategy. And yeah, don't ask me for any strategies and stuff. This is just to show you how the reality of coding a trading bot. It's hard. It takes a lot of time, a lot of testing. You need to test the bot so many times in the strategy tester, and it's not even that good. Some companies has a larger data set than others. So yeah, you start and try, use optimization, do a lot of research, and in the end you maybe will have a profitable bot. But you need to take risk into account and everything into account, and yeah, do a lot of research, do a lot of time on this. This is gonna be your hobby if you want this to work. Yeah, this is my new hobby. Even if I'm an embedded program systems programmer student, this is my free time because it's damn fun. But thank you for listening. Hope I didn't scare you from making a trading bot, but it's damn fun. It stops me from gaming, makes me do more work, but it's hard. So thank you for looking or listening to me, and have a nice one.